Hello guys, this is Vladimir Blahel doing another super nice video. In this video, we're gonna check how to detect and manage an attempt of hacking on your email account, and you'll see because this is really interesting, a very clever application of how to try to steal password because it's gonna use a normal or a legitimate source, and then they're gonna try to get you to click on a different hyperlink to steal your account. So without uh, much to say, let's go to the example. So as you can see, I'm here on my account, and very strange. On early in the morning, I got this junk email. According to Microsoft, is from Microsoft. But first thing to check, number one, if this is coming from Microsoft, why is it on the junk email? So first thing to check, it's very suspicious. Number two, it says we detect something unusual about your recent sign in, and I just or they or who knows recently signed in on Russia and Moscow, and it's like, no, that's not good. Number two, be very careful because when you try to report the user, as you can check on my left bottom left of my screen, you're gonna see that it's gonna say mail to unusual signing activity der control. So that's a no right there because as you can see, it's super suspicious. Der control. It looks like German or Russian. So that's the super part to notice that this is not a legitimate mail. So we're gonna get back to the example here. So never click on any of these hyperlinks because it's gonna be a problem. But if you check the sender, it's really no reply. So how they do that, I don't really know. So anyway, step number two, check your recent signing activity for your Microsoft account, and that way you can see what is going on with your account. And as you're gonna see, it's super stressful because my account is being attacked from the last couple of days. They're trying to sign in from Russia and United States, or they're trying. But obviously, the security on Microsoft is super strong, and my own security it's super heavy. So as you can see, they're trying, but it's not gonna happen, at least for now. So the quick tips, how to manage this. Well, number one, it's super important to always to have heavy passwords. Use numbers, upper letters, lowercase. I mean lowercase, uppercase, and signs and symbols and numbers. Number two, super important to get you another email, so that way another account is gonna help you this account to recover. Number three, use the two sign in authentication. Use the apps on your cell phone, and also be careful because remember, if you compromise one of your accounts, you're gonna have trouble because you can lose your identity, you can compromise your financial data and all your personal data, your account files, and all the personal things. So be careful with this because they're trying to do it heavily. And in my case, well, I got selected 4 or 5 years ago by the Citibank and also by the NATO, or the National Atlantic, what is the other? Atlantic Organization, and we're to the American states against the terrorism. I was part of that team representing Mexico. So that reason I have this knowledge, and also because I've been doing this for almost 15 years now. So be careful with your security on your accounts, and you'll be fine. But so in summary, do not click on any suspicious. Number two, check your activity. Number three, try to check and do a deep research about who's sending the mail. Do they have their certificates, security certificates up to date? is it real? Did you sign in on different account? So if you check this, you won't be compromised, and you'll be able to find and destroy this kind of attacks on your account. So this is my tip of the day, and stay safe, guys. Be careful, because as you can see, they're trying to attack anything, and this can lead to a totally trouble for your account, and also for your digital presence on the internet. So I hope you find this video helpful. So see you next time. Ciao.